CET today. Clear? So let's revise chapter number 2, health, food and hygiene. Clear? First of all, you must know what do you mean by hygiene? What do you mean by hygiene? You have to write it in the chat box. Okay, write it. What do you mean by hygiene? Hygiene means? Yes, good. Keep your videos on so that we see that you are attentive. What do you mean by hygiene? Hygiene means the practice of healthy habits to maintain good health. In order to maintain good health, we have to practice healthy habits. What do you mean by healthy habits? Healthy habits mean habits which help us to stay healthy. Okay, and healthy habits include taking bath, doing exercise, having balanced diet, trimming nails, keeping the surroundings clean, okay, having proper rest, proper posture, okay, all these habits, okay, they help, they are included in healthy habits. And can you give a few tips to maintain hygiene? जो मैंने अभी रिवाइज किए हैं, all these are the tips to maintain hygiene. Okay, write the important 4 tips which are helpful to maintain healthy life, which are helpful to maintain proper hygiene. Yashika, be attentive. Okay, and you are not typing. Write the answers in the chat box. Tips to maintain hygiene. Anmol, unmute yourself and revise the tips. Yes, Anmol. We revised. अभी मैंने बोले healthy habits in order to maintain hygiene. Anmol, unmute yourself. Are you able to unmute? Yes, Savni.
Ma'am, we should wash our body with soap and water regularly.
Very good.
And number two, ma'am, we should throw garbage in covered dustbins.
Very good.
We should keep our surroundings neat and clean.
Good.
And we should not allow stagnant water near our houses.
Very good. Okay,
We
जो main
should
tips हैं, this will include exercise. We should do the exercise regularly. We should have balanced diet. Okay, हमें balanced diet लेनी चाहिए and take proper rest. 7 to 8 hours rest, sleep is needed. Okay, for the healthy or to maintain hygiene and proper posture also. We should keep our back straight when you sit, when you stand and when you walk. आपको बैक स्ट्रेट रखनी है. Don't lean forward while reading. अगर बैकबोन में प्रॉब्लम आएगी तो we cannot remain healthy. आपको पता है ना, बैकबोन में से स्पाइनल कोड रन करती है तो प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है, बैक पेन होनी स्टार्ट हो जाती है. सर्वाइकल इज कॉमन इन दिस डेज बिकॉज वी डोंट सिट प्रॉपरली. So we have to maintain proper posture. We should take balanced diet. नहीं तो हम deficiency diseases हो जाती हैं. अगर हम rest नहीं करोगे तो body fresh नहीं हो पाएगी. And exercise is also essential. And along with this, we should take bath. We should keep ourselves clean in order to prevent communicable diseases. Okay, beta. Next is, what do you mean by balanced diet? अभी हमने कहा कि we should take balanced diet. What is balanced diet? पूनम. तो पूनम के नेम से एंट्री है बेटा. Unmute yourself. पूनम भारद्वाज. Beta, rename yourself. Unmute yourself. What do you mean by balanced diet? Sanchi. Sanchi, unmute yourself. What is balanced diet? Sanchi beta. It is very easy, not difficult. Govind.
Diet with all the essential nutrients in the right amount required for good that is called a balanced diet.
Yes. A diet with all the essential nutrients required for the body. Body के लिए जो nutrients चाहिए. Okay, वो proper amount में है तो it is balanced diet. Is it same for all the age groups? Neil?
No.
Neil? Is balanced diet same for all the age groups? Neil Arora, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Balanced diet is same for all?
Ma'am, yes.
Yes. How can you
Yes.
say?
That
सही है?
because it has all nutrients.
जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स है तो उसका हम बैलेंस डाइट करते हैं.
No, ma'am.
यस, ये आप सबके लिए सेम नहीं होती. इट इज नॉट सेम फॉर ऑल. ओके, ग्रोइंग चिल्ड्रन नीड्स मोर प्रोटीन्स बिकॉज दे आर ग्रोइंग. ओके, ग्रोथ के लिए न्यू सेल्स चाहिए, न्यू टिश्यूज चाहिए, तो दीज आर प्रोवाइडेड बाय प्रोटीन्स. So growing children needs more proteins than the adults. And if a person is doing hard labor, कोई काम कर रहा है, लेबर कर रहा है, उसको फिजिकल वर्क ज्यादा है, तो his or her diet should be rich in नवल. जो लेबर करने वाला है, रिक्शा पुलर है, उसकी डाइट में ज्यादा क्या होना चाहिए?
Carbohydrates.
Very good. Carbohydrates, because carbohydrates give us energy. Clear? So balanced diet is not same for all. And there are some food items given in this pic. Balanced diet is the diet which has all the right nutrients in right amount required for the body. And our diet includes rice and cereals. जब हम खाते हैं, ब्रेकफास्ट लेते हैं, लंच लेते हैं, डिनर लेते हैं, जो राइस होते हैं, चपाती होती है, जब ब्रेड होता है, all these are made up of cereals, wheat से बनते हैं. And why do we include these in our diet? What do we get from these? चपाती खाते हो ना डेली, मम्मा कहती रोटी खाओ, तो आप ब्रेड खाते हो. Why do we eat this? What do we get? Main nutrient इनमें से कौन सा मिलता है आपको? We get carbohydrates. Clear? Carbohydrates are essential to get energy. अगर एनर्जी नहीं होती तो you will not be able to work. काम करने के लिए हमें एनर्जी चाहिए. And name the main sources of proteins. अभी हमने कहा है कि we need proteins. Now name a few sources of proteins. अभी मिश्रा. Yes, अभी बेटा बोलो.
Yes. Ma'am, proteins are body building food.
वेरी गुड. बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड है, वो हमारी ग्रोथ के लिए हेल्प करते हैं. तो मिलते कहाँ से है? मेन सोर्स कौन सा उनका?
Ma'am,
यस,
egg.
एग. वेरी गुड. अगर कोई एग नहीं खाता तो
झूठा एग सारे मैं भी ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਚੈਟ ਬਾਕਸ 'ਚ ਐਗ ਜੇ ਤੋਂ ਪੁੱਛੋ ਉਹਨੇ ਵੇਖ ਕੇ ਦੱਸਤਾ ਐਗ ਮੇਰੇ ਖਿਆਲ ਆਹੀ
yourself.
Soyabeans.
सोयाबीन इज द रिचेस्ट सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन. सभी पल्सेस जितनी दालें हैं उनमें बहुत अच्छी क्वांटिटी में प्रोटीन्स होते हैं. मिल्क एंड मिल्क कर्ड.
Ma'am, curd.
यस, अब अनम्यूट नहीं करोगे until I name you. Yes, next. Milk and milk products, pulses, soybean, etc. All these are rich sources of proteins. Now, why do we eat seasonal fruits and vegetables? आपको पिक में बहुत सारी हरी सब्जियां दिख रही हैं, फ्रूट्स दिख रहे हैं. Why do we include these in the diet? हम फल और सब्जियां क्यों खाते हैं? What do we get from these?
मैं भी लिख रहा टुडे इज माय हैप्पी बर्थडे.
गिरी कह रहा है, गिरी हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. नाउ कॉन्सेंट्रेट बेटा. जो why do we eat seasonal fruits and vegetables? Jasmeet, Banga, turn your video on. Jasmeet, are you there? Yes, Diljot. Why do we?
Ma'am, they keep healthy.
They keep healthy. Nutrients कौन सा होता है उनमें से? They keep us healthy.
Vitamins and minerals.
Very good. Vitamins and minerals are present in seasonal fruits, and we don't suffer from deficiency diseases when we eat seasonal fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables में से vitamins और minerals मिलते हैं. उन्हें हम बहुत कम quantity में वो required होते हैं, but when we don't get these, so we suffer from deficiency diseases. Clear? They keep us healthy, they help in the growth, they provide materials like calcium and food for the humans. Mute yourself. Now next, why do we need roughage? हम कहते हैं ना, although roughage does not give us any nutrient, इसकी कोई nutritive value नहीं होती, but we should include it in diet. Why do we need roughage? इसको हम fiber भी कहते हैं. Yes, Harleen. Harleen, better answer this.
मैंने मम्मा अंदर मैंने डांट दिया. मैं आंसर दे रहा हूँ क्योंकि बाजू पात्र में गूंगी गई.
Mute yourself. Yes, Harshpreet Singh, unmute yourself. Why do we need roughage?
To get rid of undigested food.
Very good. To get rid of undigested foods, checks constipation, it adds bulk to the food, and it is very essential to keep our digestive system healthy. हमारा digestive system, include water in the diet. Why should we need water?
It helps to regulate our body.
We need water. Yes.
Can I?
Yes, we always say we should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water. Why should we drink water?
Can I?
Navalpreet.
Ma'am, can I?
Better no, don't.
It flushes out all the toxic and waste from our body. Water is required for keeping the regular temperature of our body.
Very good. Okay. It helps to remove the waste products from the body. Okay, it helps in digestion of food and it helps to maintain body temperature. Can you tell what is a normal body temperature of our body? It is 37 degrees Celsius. Okay, so it helps to maintain, it helps to keep the body temperature constant. And next, there are some non-communicable diseases. Okay, diseases are of two types, communicable and non-communicable. There are some communicable diseases and which spread due to the deficiency of nutrients. When there is deficiency of certain nutrients in the diet, we suffer from, better mute yourself. We suffer from deficiency diseases. These are non-communicable, means these are not spread by the germs. The germs से spread नहीं होती, these spread by the deficiency of nutrients. अब कॉलम बी में लिखी है मैंने diseases और ए में nutrients which cause the deficiency. If we do not take these nutrients in the diet, तो इनकी deficiency हो जाती है and we suffer from a disease. You have to match the columns with the nutrients and the disease caused due to the deficiency of that nutrient. Now vitamin A, if we do not get vitamin A in the diet, we suffer from, write in the chat box.
Can I?
Chat box में लिखोगी. Vitamin A's deficiency leads to, very good, night blindness. इसको हम अंधराता भी कहते हैं. Person is not able to see at night. Clear? Person is not able to see at night. And we get vitamin A from yellow fruits and green vegetables. They are rich source of vitamin A. Carrot, papaya, green leafy vegetables and cereals also. Now deficiency of vitamin B causes, which disease is caused? It is beriberi. Clear? And vitamin B we get from the cereals, nuts, watermelon, etc. So vitamin B, beriberi, and vitamin C's deficiency causes scurvy. आप this way learn कर सकते हो. A से अंधराता means night blindness, B से beriberi, C से scurvy. Okay, sound same आती है with the letter, first letter. The next, deficiency of vitamin D. It causes rickets. Okay, weak bones. Bones weak हो जाती हैं. Vitamin D is very good for the bones. When we sit in the sun, we get it. Our skin can make it when we sit in the sunlight for some time, for a few minutes. And vitamin D हमें milk और milk product से भी मिलता है. Cereals also have vitamin D. Now, if we don't take iron in the sufficient amount, we suffer from the disease. Yes, which disease is caused due to the deficiency of iron? It is anemia. इसमें red blood cells कम हो जाते हैं, hemoglobin कम हो जाता है. Okay, person looks pale. एंड वो जल्दी थक जाता है, उसकी सांस फूलने लगती है थोड़ा सा काम करने के बाद, बिकॉज उसकी जो सेल्स हैं उसको ऑक्सीजन प्रॉपर अमाउंट में नहीं पहुंच पाती. देन इफ वी डोंट टेक कैल्शियम, कैल्शियम इज गुड फॉर द बोन्स. इफ वी डोंट टेक कैल्शियम वी सफर फ्रॉम ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस, दैट इज अ डिजीज इन विच वीक बोन्स आर देयर. इसमें भी जल्दी फ्रैक्चर हो जाता है, बैकबोन bend हो जाती है, and person suffers from this condition if we don't take calcium. And which disease is caused if we don't take iodine? Danish, unmute yourself. Name the disease caused when we don't get iodine in the proper amount. Yes, Danish, are you there? Manjot?
Goiter.
Goiter, very good. Okay, जिसमें गले में जो thyroid gland है उसमें swelling.
Goiter.
Yes. Next is, what do you mean by communicable diseases? जो भी हमने किए हैं, these were non-communicable. So now you have to tell communicable diseases. Harleen, be attentive, beta. Unmute yourself and tell me what are communicable diseases. Some students are very sincere, they listen very carefully, or they raise hand always and they chat also. And some of you, they sit only बस की video on किया और बैठ गए. Yes, Naval, what are communicable diseases?
Communicable diseases are the diseases which spread through a sick person to a healthy person.
Very good. Which are spread by germs. जो बैक्टीरिया, वायरस और प्रोटोजोआ और फंजाई से होते हैं. These diseases are called communicable diseases. These are the diseases which spread by the germs. And name a few diseases which spread by virus. The causing organism is virus. Yes, Sargun?
Polio and chickenpox.
Box ni pox. Okay, very good. Polio, chickenpox, mumps, common cold. सर्दी हो जाती ना आपको, running nose. It is common in these days. So this is also caused by a virus. COVID-19. Okay, ये भी एक वायरस से होती है. कोरोना जिसका नेम है, आप सबको पता है. Okay, that's why we are at home. Okay, so polio. Mumps, first of all, see when swelling is there in the salivary glands, neck, कानों के नीचे जो है swelling हो जाती है. Sometimes person suffer from fever also, and it is difficult to eat something swelling के कारण. And this is caused by the virus. Next is polio, जिसमें limbs paralyzed हो जाती हैं. And polio drops are given to the children in order to avoid this disease. And next is, recognize the disease. ये कौन सी disease है? Jasjeet. Yes, beta, unmute yourself. Can you recognize which disease is there? This is chicken pox. Okay, इसमें fever होता है और ऐसे दाने दाने निकल आते हैं पूरी body के ऊपर, red color की. Okay. And next is common cold. Common cold is also caused by a virus. Clear? And next, name the diseases which are caused by bacteria. Bacteria से होने वाली बीमारियों के नेम लिखो. Write it in the chat box. Yes, very good. Diseases caused by bacteria. Recognize this disease in which lungs are affected. Okay. Lungs may bacteria enter. When it enters the lungs through the nasal cavity, it reaches the lungs and it affects the lungs. The name of the disease is tuberculosis or TB. इसको हम कहते हैं TB. And another disease caused by bacteria, plague. Okay, it is transmitted by rat fleas and causing organism is bacteria. And next is, recognize this. Okay, जब आप बाहर का खाना खाते हो तो you suffer from this disease. इसमें vomitings, loose motions, bloody stools में blood भी आता है, fever, abdominal pain, all this is there. And the causing organism is a bacteria. Disease, name of the disease is, it is cholera. Clear? A bacteria which lives in contaminated food and water. This causes cholera, जिसमें vomits, loose motions, all this is there, and it may cause dehydration. पानी की कमी हो जाती है. To avoid this, we should drink water again and again. Next, now name some diseases which are caused by fungi, or we call it fungi. Yes. And recognize this disease which is caused by fungi. It is, Avni, can you recognize?
Ma'am, ringworm.
No, it's not ringworm. आपको फुट
मैम,
दिख रहा है और
athlete foot.
मैम
मैम, athlete foot.
एथलीट्स फुट, ओके, फुट दिख रहा है.
Athlete's foot.
Yes, in between the toes infection होती है, तो disease is athlete's foot. Clear? This is ringworm. इसमें एक रिंग साइज का पैच होता है, बॉडी के किसी भी पार्ट में हो जाता है, इचिंग होती है उसमें, and this is called ringworm. And next, transmission of communicable diseases. कि ये spread कैसे होती है? Some of the diseases they spread through the air. Germs उसके air में होते हैं. When we breathe in that air, okay, germs कैसे बाहर आते हैं? When person sneeze or cough. That's why we always say we should cover our cough and sneeze. We should use handkerchief, और नहीं तो हमें ऐसे अपना elbow में ऐसे करके sneeze करना चाहिए if we don't have the handkerchief. And whooping cough, common cold, TB, these spread through the air. Clear? Air में germs होते हैं, जैसे आपको पिक में दिख रहा है. When you are very near to that patient, you breathe in the same air, germs may enter your body also. And these are the diseases which spread through air, and some diseases they spread through insect bites. Like one is plague, rat fleas, वो rats पे होते हैं. Okay, they suck the blood of rat, and sometimes when rats are near you, okay, when rat fleas, they means they can cause the disease. And some diseases are spread by malaria. Sorry, insect bites. Okay, like mosquito. Name the disease which spread by the bite of mosquito.
And dengue.
Dengue. Okay, dengue is spread by the bite of Aedes mosquito, and Anopheles mosquito.
Malaria.
Malaria. Don't unmute like this. That is malaria. Clear? And next, some diseases spread through infected food and water, contaminated food and water. Like when we expose the food to flies, flies sit on that food, dust पड़ी होती है street food पे. When you eat that food, you may suffer from some diseases. Okay, like diarrhea, loose motions, and jaundice. Jaundice में liver effect होता है, skin looks pale. Clear? So these are the diseases which spread through contaminated food and water, and some diseases they spread through direct contact, like common cold, ringworm, chickenpox. They spread by the sharing of the things with the patient.